Do you know that Finland is offering a 5 years work visa with salary ranges from 2,000 to 4,000 euros? Yes, you heard me right. And you don't need to have a tons of experience to qualify. Finland is on the look for foreign workers, and this opportunity could be your chance to do what? To live and work in one of the happiest countries. So if you have been searching for a stable job, a great salary, and a high quality of life, I want you to stick with me because I'm breaking down everything you need to know about this amazing opportunity. Hi travelers, welcome back to Easy Travel with Olakemi. If you want to travel to Europe and work, Finland 5 years work visa, it's something you don't want to miss. Not only does it offer a competitive salary starting from 2,000 per month, and it also gives you a chance to live in a country with excellent public services, free education, and and stunning natural beauty. And before we dive in, if it's your first time coming across this channel, let me know where you are watching from, and I will come to the comment section to welcome you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you will never miss any opportunity like this. To all my returning subscribers, guys, you are the best. I appreciate your support. Thank you so much, guys. On this channel, as you know, I share global opportunities for education, for relocation, and moving abroad. Trust me, as I'd always say, this is where you want to be because this is where everything is happening. We share your opportunity, we show you opportunities, and we also show you how you can apply to this opportunity. So guys, let's dive into today's video. First, before I dive into this video, I would like to explain what is Finland 5 years work visa. The Finland 5 years work visa is a part of Finland's effort to fill in labor shortage in key industry. Yes, and it is open for foreign workers, guys, from all over the world. So with this visa, you'll be able to live and work in Finland for up to 5 years. This is an amazing one, guys. And this visa gives you plenty of time to settle in the Finland and build your career. The best part of it is that Finland is looking for workers at all skills level, and it is a perfect opportunity for beginners or anyone looking for a fresh start. Now, guys, let's talk about what kind of job you can apply for under this visa. Finland is actively hiring nurses, caregivers, medical support, staff builders, plumber, electricians, general laborers, software developers, IT technicians, data analysis, seasoned farm workers, chef, hotel staff, cleaners, drivers, warehouse workers, and delivery staff, and the list continues to go on, guys. Whether you have skilled or you're just starting out, there is something for you. So there is something for everyone in Finland. Let me tell you why Finland is such a great choice for relocation, because many people has not really opened eyes in Finland, and I'm here to open your eyes to this opportunity. Finland has high salaries with starting pay between 2,000 to 4,000 per month, meaning that you will earn to live comfortably and save for the future. You hear me right? You have a lot to save because it's a huge amount of salary. As a fresher, if you're getting 2,000 to 4,000 salary, it's a huge one, guys. And another reason why I said Finland is a great option for relocation is their work-life balance. Finland emphasizes on short work hours, so more vacation and less stress. And this visa could be your first step towards permanent residency or even your citizenship in Finland. With this visa, you will get access to Schengen Zone, so you can travel freely to 26 Europe countries, guys. Finland also offers excellent healthcare, as you all know, free education, and strong social security benefits. And there are many more. So let me talk about how you can actually make this dream happen. I will share with you my screen how you can get this job, where you can search to find the job that will offer this 5 years work visa. I will share you the site, and I want you to watch the video to the very end because this kind of opportunity doesn't come often, and you know that it's going to be competitive, so many people will be on the queue. So I want you to grab this opportunity before the train is full, guys. So let's head over to my screen where I will show you how to apply and where you can find these jobs. So let's go, guys. And the first website that I will bring you to is Duunitori. This website is a excellent website which you can use to get jobs in Finland. The best part is this website is designed into different category where you can find jobs according to location, you can find jobs according to the company, and you can find job according to your title, your professions. So if you also want to go through the companies, click on see here. You can search each company names on Chrome and apply directly from the company website. But here on this website, we are going to be applying directly to this job on this website. So, but to make your job searching, more wider and to be open to more opportunities and to even see more opportunities, I would advise that you go through these companies. If you click here, you will see a lot of companies under this website. So you can go through this company, copy their names to your Chrome, look for their website, apply, join their career and jobs alert so that whenever they also have jobs opportunity, you will get to know what jobs are available on their website. So guys, this is a very important details and I want you to take it, very serious. There are a lot of companies here that when you copy their name or you type their name on Google, it will bring you their company names or their company websites where you can also see jobs, you can explore jobs opportunity in this company. So now let's go back to what we are here for. So you can see that here there are different field where you have to select. If you click here, there are multiple of jobs you can apply. If you click on here, multiple of jobs, engineering, 4 person, junior and entry level assignment, driver, family nurse, doctor, seller, masters, deputy, shift work. So there are different jobs and category or field on this website. So let's try to check one of this field and see what jobs is available on this website. So let's check this mechanic. If you click on it, you will realize that all these things are coming in Finnish. So you want to make sure you translate it to English in order for you to understand what the website says. So here you can see that they have weather installer, they have installer maintenance worker, they have electrical network installer. And let me tell you guys, on this site, they upload jobs, every 7 days. This job they were posted 7 days ago, and you can see the date this was posted on 20th of November 2024. Same thing here, November 2024. So there are many opportunities open for you here. So there are some jobs that doesn't require much of experience. Those are the jobs you will target. So if you come here also, just take your time, let it translate itself to English so we can move on. So let's check this driver. You will see that it brings out drivers for road maintenance work, data security expert at cybersecurity center, health mover truck driver, combination vehicle driver, capital region, garbage truck driver. There are many more guys, and if I keep on reading, there are many, many, many jobs here. I need you to come here. As I said, look for jobs that are related to your field. So guys, another site that I will bring to you is Joblink. Joblink is a great website as well if you're looking for jobs in Finland. This is an amazing website and they've got thousands of jobs on this site. And then the best thing that I like about this site is that it gives you many rooms to put your CV in. And let's get to it. I will show you what I really mean because it is an amazing site and I want you to be, to see every opportunity that is on this site. If you come here, you will see that there are different fields that they already mentioned the numbers of jobs that are available. Like for society, there are 780 jobs available. For knowledge, there are 279 jobs available, and under health there are 257 jobs available. Under environment there are 36 jobs available. And here also there are different type of job employment types: full-time, part-time, temporary, remote work. It is everything is here. And for region, you can as well select the region you want to search for your jobs. And salaries also is being mentioned here: 2,000, 4,000, 3,000, 5,000, and many, many, many more. If you're searching for jobs here, it is better. I will advise that you put your CV, you build your CV. If you don't have your CV yet, build your CV and you upload it here, because when you upload your CV on a website, it is easy for you to apply. So once you come across any job on the website, it is easy for you to just apply to the jobs easily. You don't need to start looking for your CV on your browser or on your phone before you apply. So I found this as an amazing way for you to easily apply for jobs. And if you come here, this is where you're going to find different type of jobs on this site, and make sure you translate it to English as well, because Finnish and English are the language on this site. You want to make sure you translate it to English. So if you click on this as well, it will bring you to another site that there are different jobs under this platform. If you come here, there are many more opportunities here, and even here there are sales, retails and wholesales, there are social work, customer service, hotel and restaurant industry. So with this on this site, you can also search for hotels and restaurant jobs, customer service jobs, social work jobs, retail jobs, sales jobs, and so on and so forth. And one more thing that makes these jobbing sites stand out among other websites is they give you tips on how to search for jobs. Like, that is really amazing. If you come here, if you click on this one, it will take you to a site where it will teach you how you can search for jobs. If you come here, you can see tips for you to search for jobs. And if you see also, this is how you make a good job application, 10-point guide. You can also use artificial intelligence to help you write a good job application. So I found this website a very great one. And also it talks about CV. This is how you create a CV that charm employers. 5 tips for a resume that stands out from the crowd. The job search service Joblin lists 5 tips with which you can get an employer to read your CV from start to finish. So I'm sure you don't want to miss all these tips. Come on this website and see how you can make a better CV, how you can write a good job application. They also have tips on how you can dress for your interview. So this is an amazing one. In my own opinion, this is a great site, guys. Aside from you searching for jobs, there are a lot of things you can also benefit from this website. And the next website I'll bring you to is Barona. Barona is also a very great website for searching for jobs in Finland. So, and this is more like a recruiter agency. They can also help you search for jobs, and there are also jobs on their website that you can apply to. Over 30 people found a job through us every year. We have offices in Finland, Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Spain, Poland, Slovakia, and operate also in Eastern Europe and Philippines. They have been in existence for over 20 years. They have territory in most of the Europe country, in Sweden, Norway, Denmark, Spain, Poland, Slovakia, and also in Finland, in Philippines and all that. So I believe you can trust them for your job hunting. So if you feel like you need a better hand to help you search for jobs, you can contact them and they will help you search for job in Finland. And also they have jobs on their website. So if you come on their website, there are different jobs on their website. So you have to take your time and apply accordingly. So make your search, make your research and come on this site to apply for job. Currently, they have 8 jobs on their website. So when you start searching for your own job, probably they will have added more jobs on their websites. I will take you to another recruiter agency that also can help you find job in Finland. And also on their website, there are jobs you can also apply to on their website. And this is another website that I will show you. It is called Ella Kastla. So they are an recruiter agency, and also you can find jobs on their website. Once you contact them, tell them what you need, tell them you're interested to look for job in Finland and you want to use their service. And after you successfully get a job or secure a job in Finland, the next thing to do is to gather your documents. You will need to collect all your documents such as passports, your contracts, your employment contracts, your education qualification, your proof of financial means, and health insurance coverage, and your passport photograph. And once you gather all of this together, you have to apply your resident permit on Finland website. So guys, that is all you need to know about this application. You might be wondering why you should choose Finland over other countries, but I'm here to tell you that Finland has been ranked the happiest country globally for several years, guys, and offer excellent living conditions, low crime rates, and a strong sense of community. And Finland healthcare is something you don't want to miss. They have a top-notch healthcare, and education is also free for residents, and there is a perfect balance between work and personal life. Some other things you don't want to miss is the thousands of lakes in Finland, the beautiful forests, and even the northern light that makes it one of the most beautiful countries to live in. The Finland government also actively supports immigration to address the labor shortage, making it easy for you to apply for this visa. Whether you are starting with an entry-level job or aiming for a skilled position, there is plenty of room to grow in your career. And finally, Finland also offers free education, affordable childcare, and generous parental leave policy, making it ideal for families. So, if you are relocating with your children, have it in mind that in Finland, you will enjoy a free education for your children, and the parental leave policy is amazing, guys. So guys, what do you think? Are you ready to start your new life in Finland? Let me know in the comments, and if you have any question at all, drop it for me in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it to your loved ones. Subscribe to Easy Travel with Olakemi for more exciting opportunities like this. Until next, keep exploring opportunity, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.